Mix it well. Mix it well until the sauce become thick. Sauce became thick. It's perfectly cooked. Now I am going to add paneer slices. Now mix it. Paneer should be mixed well with sauce. Now let it live for 1 minute. Paneer Manchuria is ready. Now let's take in a plate. Tasty Paneer Manchuria is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.